The same people that's making these statements, they all three on felony probation. They done got caught.
Okay.
Their house just got raided. And then they up here playing line up on me.
Court does call the case, People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Feltus for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh, I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted. Sir, can you state your name?
On it for the record. My name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to establish jurisdiction, bro.
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
There are certain things you want me to show you?
Your delegation of power, sir.
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power.
Yeah,
Came from the people of Washtenaw County that elected me. I have a certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller,
I would like a copy of your surety bond, please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one? Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your oath?
Mr. Miller, I'd advise not to
wear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout room?
You can do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So
what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
Okay, I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no so-called witness or victim to sign a sworn affidavit against me.
Please approach, Your Honor.
And not end this? Yeah. Oh. Of course, yes, you may.
So how's y'all having a conversation without me being there?
Okay, we're back to the record in the Dwight Miller case. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the jail at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor,
so
I object. Anything she talking about. First and foremost, how is you testifying?
Yeah, what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady lied.
I know, I heard your motion to dismiss. Okay, I denied it already.
Listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution, what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If something comes from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story up talking about
okay, this woman is an assistant prosecutor because
nobody had no weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
the complaining witness. Not Ms. Felton?
But Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending, as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police 13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit. I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve
I
all
never
that today.
threatened no one. The same people that's
know.
making these
Okay.
statements, they all three on
So-
felony probation. They done got caught.
Okay.
Their house just
Okay,
got
so we
raided.
can't resolve
And then they up
that
here
today.
playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing to, so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on, is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So,
Your
probable cause conference.
Your Honor,
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement here, that mag thing we saw, we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court is going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that
I'm not consenting to none of this. The lady,
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone?
Yes.
I feel a cold coming on for this sick. It was like a hairball. I don't know.
Dwight Miller walked into a Michigan courtroom facing serious felony charges and somehow managed to make absolutely everything worse in under 7 minutes. From the very first second, Miller made his position crystal clear. He wasn't Dwight Miller, defendant. He was an American state national, a sovereign, a man beyond the court's reach. "I'm here to challenge jurisdiction, bro," he announced, to a judge. What followed was extraordinary. Miller demanded the judge produce his delegation of power, his oath of office, his surety bond. The judge, calm and almost amused, explained he had no surety bond, he was insured by the county. Miller wasn't satisfied. His own attorney, experienced public defender Michael Gaddy, desperately tried to intervene, urging Miller to stop talking. Miller's response? He called Gaddy his so-called attorney. The judge's reaction was immediate and firm. "He is a very good attorney. You will not refer to him that way." Miller then demanded a breakout room. Denied. Demanded dismissal. Denied. Claimed the witnesses against him were all on felony probation. Claimed he was assaulted that very morning. Claimed he called police 13 times. "I ain't threatening no one," he insisted, while threatening everyone within earshot. His attorney wisely requested an adjournment. The judge granted 1 week, not 2, to get to the bottom of what was clearly a rapidly escalating situation. Miller's verdict? "I just got railroaded." The judge's response was delivered with the energy of a man who had truly seen enough. "I'll let you know when you are." Courtroom erupted, Miller's camera was cut, and the judge, the unshakable, unflappable judge, quietly muttered he felt a cold coming on. Justice served with a side of humor.